Dear students, today we will go through the expansion of proverbs or maxims. Do you know what proverbs are? Proverbs are wise sayings that give advice about life. They are the gems of wisdom. Proverbs are culturally specific, yet their meaning has the universality. Everyone can relate to them in some way and on some level. There is a proverb for almost any situation. We may sometimes not understand a big lecture, but we understand a small proverb very easily because the truth they speak can span the globe. They can also give a greater potency to what is being conveyed. For example, in trying to explain the consequences of evil deeds, the proverb, as you sow, so shall you reap, teaches the lesson. You can't escape the consequences of your actions. If you really want to take your English to a higher level, or you want to speak English like a native speaker, it is important to learn as many proverbs as possible. Now let us take a proverb to expand it. The proverb is honesty is the best policy. Now let me tell you a story based on the proverb honesty is the best policy. I know it is already known to you. The story goes like this. Once upon a time there lived a poor woodcutter named Ram. He lived in a small hut on the outskirts of the village. Ram would go in the forest every day and chop trees for wood. He sold this wood to a rich merchant and earned his livelihood. Though poor, the woodcutter was sincere and honest. One day, while chopping a tree near the river, the axe slipped out of his hand and fell into the river. The river was very deep, and since that was his only axe, he worried. How would he cut wood and earn his livelihood now? He prayed to God for his axe sincerely. He prayed so sincerely that God actually appeared. When he asked Ram what the problem was, he told God the whole episode. God then put his hand into the river and took out a silver axe. The woodcutter said it wasn't his. God continued looking and then found a golden axe. The woodcutter refused to accept it too. What good is a golden axe to a poor woodcutter? He needed his iron axe. God finally smiled and pulled out his iron axe. The woodcutter was extremely happy and thanked God for finding his axe. God was very happy with his honesty. So he rewarded him by giving him the silver and the golden axe too. The woodcutter was overwhelmed and jumped with joy. Now let me expand the proverb. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty means to be truthful, and policy means the course of action to be adopted by a man. The proverb means that a person should be honest and sincere in his dealings with others. In other words, honesty is the best course of conduct. An honest man is the embodiment of many virtues. He is respected and appreciated by others. Even if honesty brings him loss and suffering, an honest man feels he must be honest because it is right to be honest and wrong to be dishonest. Honesty does pay in the long run. A businessman is straightforward in his dealings with the public and gives quality goods at fair prices will establish a good reputation. Though he may not make a fortune, he will have a sound and satisfactory business. On the other hand, quick success is often due to dishonest practices, but it is only temporary. The advantages gained by dishonest policies may bring trouble in future. Besides, one has to be more and more dishonest in order to continue in that line of action. One has to face some obstacles in the beginning when he follows an honest course of action. Its advantages are permanent and rewarding. When one begins to believe that truth and righteousness are far more important than wealth and rank and prosperity, honesty becomes his best policy. Now, let me acquaint you with some more proverbs. Delay is dangerous. The very ruins of greatness is great. There is no railroad to learning. Two tradesmen never agree. He who is born in misfortune stumbles as he goes. Writing of fate never changes. What God wills, no frost can kill. Nothing venture, nothing have. A contented mind is a continuous feast. Much gain, much pain. Empty vessel sounds much. Cry in wilderness. High wind blows in high hills. Attempt all, lose all. His dog is barking at him. Now, the home assignment. Choose any one of these proverbs and expand it. Send your answers through voice message. Thank you.